Yay, flying is fun.
Hey kid, you don't want this crappy toy.
You
You want this.
Gee willikers, what is this?
Well, little Johnny, this is the Deluxe 5300 XL7 Superfly Superflyer.
How does it work?
I'll show you. Simply pull back the rubber bands and slip them around the firing hammer.
Ah!
Now place the plane on the launch pad. Now feed the hook through the loop. Now we're ready to have some real fun.
Oh yeah.
Let her rip.
Yeah!
And you know what else, little Johnny? The Deluxe 5300 XL7 Superfly Superflyer will make you athletic, popular, and good with the ladies.
Really?
No.
Oh shucks.
The makers of the Deluxe 5300 XL7 Superfly Superflyer are not responsible for any damages or death incurred while using the Deluxe 5300 XL7 Superfly Superflyer. Continuous use may result in nausea and diarrhea.
Yeah!